Thank you for watching our complete makeover of this local television station in Nebraska. Facility Services Group is a full-service office furniture sales and installation company located in the heart of the Midwest, St. Louis, Missouri. We are a family-owned operation selling quality pre-owned office furniture. We purchase this office furniture throughout the country from Fortune 500 and 100 companies, bringing it back to St. Louis, Missouri to our warehouse and then resell and distribute it from that location. Additionally, we offer full office moves as well. Since we are already familiar with the modular systems and private offices that we sell, we know what it takes to disassemble and then reassemble the product at clients' new locations. When you begin to discuss the replacement of your current office furniture or purchase new product for your new space, call FSG Facility Services Group at 314-282-4441 and let's get your project assigned to one of our expert office furniture consultants. We take care of the office furniture so you can take care of your job. Let us at FSG make the project simple and seamless.